Howdy, howdy. Okay, today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2023 Chrysler Pacifica. Also, please be aware, I am not an official mechanic. Do all this at your own risk. I'm just kind of showing you how to do it. Alright, this is real simple to do. First thing, pop your hood. There's your latch right here. Just pull it, hood is popped. Alright, go ahead, open the hood. The latch is here. Move it to the left. Open it up. Secure with your stick. And if you don't have this support or it's broke or whatever, just whatever you can do to hold up your hood securely. And clean out your leaves while you're down here. Okay, these air filters are widely available on Amazon or your auto parts store. Just remember, sometimes you get what you pay for. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to remove this tube right here. It's real easy. It's just push down on this latch and pull out. Super easy to do. Next thing you want to do is, see right here, you got your these screws right here. You want to go ahead and undo those. Just a Phillips screwdriver will do. You can also use a wrench too, if you, or not a wrench. Well, I guess you could use a wrench, but a bit to get these off as well. Not a bit. You know, the things that go around. I'm having brain farts today. Anyway, once you get these out, place them somewhere safe. Okay. You'll also want to loosen this to make it a bit easier. Okay, go ahead. Get that tube off there, and the top just pops right off. Simple enough. Make sure you clean out anything that's in there. Yeah, as you can see, I got some sand and gunk and I think a wasp in there, so go ahead and clean that up. So now that it's all cleaned out, I'm just going to put the new one in and just, yeah, reverse all my steps. Let's place this back. It does have a couple of hinges, I'll show you. See those hinges versus these? You need to slide those back in there. Tube back on. Okay, easy enough. Let's get her tightened backed up. Just make sure everything's tight so you don't get any air leaks. Okay, and then last thing, very important, don't forget, you gotta reattach this. And that's just pushed back on, that's it. And of course, close the hood. Well, make sure you have everything gathered up. Close the hood and you're done. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to change the engine air filter on the 23 Chrysler Pacifica. Again, not a mechanic can do this at your own risk, but hey, save you a couple bucks. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Remember, generic outro. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Check out these other videos floating around on the screen here, and you know, stick around for additional stuff coming up. You never know what I might do. Will be another taste test, will be a review. Will I be out hiking again? Who knows? Stick around, find out. Enjoy.